Welcome to the video. In today's video, we are going to see how we are going to update our n8n instance on hostinger.com. So let's start. So here you can see if we go to what's new. So here you can see there is an update button over here, and my version is 2 versions behind. So now what I need to do is that I need to go to my hostinger.com and I will log in. So I am already logged in. So I will go to the manage button over here, and here you can see here I need to open my terminal for my Linux Ubuntu hosting, and here are some commands that I need to run. So first command that I need to run is the docker command that I need to run over here. So I will copy that and I will paste that docker command into this. So this is the official docker command which will download and install the latest version of docker on your system. So this command will take some time to complete. It might take like around 1 minute or 2 minutes, something like that. So we will wait for it and we'll get back to it. So now it's completed. So now here now I need to install, or I need to enter my second command over here. So I will paste it over here. So this command will ensure that my n8n workflows don't stop, or my n8n instance won't stop after restarting my system. Okay, so now I need to put my third command and I will paste it over here. So it will pull the latest n8n image for the docker. So it will download the image from internet. It is around I think so around 500 MB or something. So this will take some time, so we will wait for it. So now it's still downloading. Okay, now it is completed. So I need to now use this command which will actually safely stop and remove the existing n8n container. So don't worry, your workflows and data are stored separately, so won't be affected by this command. So now the next command that I need to run is that this command will be run in the background, and it will creating the n8n uh, updated n8n container. So now here I need to put my next command, and that is docker compose ps that I already run. So docker compose ps, this shows all your running containers. You should see your n8n container with status of up and running. If you see this, congratulations, your update is successful. Finally, you need to do is that final command is to check the version of the your n8n on docker. So here you can see now my version is updated to the latest version over here. So by this way you can always update your n8n instance. So few additional tips just I wanted to share with you. Always backup your n8n data before performing updates. While this process is safe, but it's better to be cautious. Second will be like check the n8n change log on the GitHub or their web pages for the latest version. So there might be exciting new features, and they always push for the developers. And number three, that I can tell you that if you encounter any issues, check your Docker logs using Docker Compose logs n8n to troubleshoot, because whatever the hosting you are purchasing, sometimes it's not managed by the hosting companies. So this logs will help you to find the problem and fix those problems by yourself. And that's it. So by this way you can always update your n8n instance, this process.